Bekana o kubono gwakorekana seritukulia lero okungusana no gutindi niko kwanekirwe meye county ya Nyamira gati ebyombe bibere bya agency abona se kyombeke mu kyari gosiro kurobekana kuri tukulia lero ekyombeke niko kyari gokano kurobekana seritukulia rengana yale tali berali tindi asensemo ya Nyamira na korera gati oboncherere ko nyara gotene na seke kana bego no bosombi ko nyara gotene na seke gitambe no na bokorengana ne ensemeli yale kwariga niyo kurobekana kuri tukulia lero nige gati ya abuna ni gati ya baraigete obona baransiasa kurose county ya Nyamira igobarokana gutumeka gati y'abasaye ibunenchire mu yoko nyaragotene niyo korobekana kwabo engana batebona batari gucyuwanchira nagotebune kembege agency mbagandre korobekana iriko nyarakwane kibuno kogani kwabo ngo nyarakoriko gwekana buna chikaunti kubwata namo n'abasayi bande nigo chinga kechi mu chire gati y'abana siasa bali bagosona na sokorobekana okubona gwakorekana sari tukulia lero meye county ya Nyamira
chase e governor igo abasaye bami
political interest baraira bali ntutokwenda ku present interest cha mwananchi.
We don't have street light, we don't have security lights. Tell me why someone can come to Nyamira County at 7 p.m. Biashara zimefunga, watu wa pikipiki hawezi fanya mambo yao kwa amani kwa sababu there are no security lights, and such like issue is the one that has prompted us to be on the streets. We need to remind our governor that we need a working county.
We are occupying Nyamira. We will be there no matter what. We will be very peaceful. Na kama wanataka kuleta shida kuna hiyo issue nimesikia wamehire some goons wakuje ku counter attackers. I want to say this on record. Our goons mumehire. We know them and we are very ready for them. Bring those goons, you face us.
There's some guys wamekuwa wamelipwa ama wamepewa pesa kidogo na some leaders ama watu wengine ambao hawataki as youth we have a voice. Obviously, sure. Youth wamekuwa wakiachwa nje for a very long time, and this is the time that we need to be heard. We have a voice and it should be heard.
Tumepata kwamba kuna wale wanasiasa ambao wameingilia hii maneno yetu ya Gen Z, wanataka kuichaki hii program alafu ndio waende kuonyesha
Inyorobono county ya Nyamira